The cosmic code of 3, Trinity's echo in physics and prophecy. Patterns help explain how the universe works. One pattern stands out. The structure of 3 appears in particles, forces, creation stories, and biblical prophecy. This video examines why the number 3 functions as a universal framework across science and scriptures. Why the number 3 matters. 3 creates balance. It bridges opposites. It stabilizes systems in nature, mathematics, and spiritual symbolism. You see this pattern across fields that seem unrelated, which makes the number worth studying. The pattern of 3 in physics. 3 parts of the atom. Matter depends on a simple threefold structure: proton, neutron, electron. These 3 define atomic identity and interaction. 3 dimensions of space. Geometry uses length, width, and height. This 3-dimensional structure shapes how matter forms and moves. 3 states of motion in mechanics. Classical physics describes rest, constant motion, acceleration. Even motion falls into a 3-step model. The structure repeats because it organizes complexity in a stable way. The pattern of 3 in creation and nature. 3 primary color receptors. Human vision relies on 3 types of cones: red, green, and blue. This defines how you see color. 3 main sections of the brainstem. The brainstem has the midbrain, pons, and medulla. Each part controls core functions. 3 basic forms of matter. Solid, liquid, and gas form the foundation of physical states. Nature uses 3 often because it supports clear structure. The pattern of 3 in scripture and prophecy. Threefold meaning in biblical symbolism. 3 represents completeness, stability, and confirmation. Examples include 3 major divisions of the Hebrew scriptures, 3-day cycles for transformation, threefold blessing patterns. Prophetic structure built on 3. Prophecy uses 3 to show sequence and fulfillment. Events often follow a beginning, middle, and completion pattern. Trinity as a core spiritual framework. Many theological models reflect a threefold structure. This gives a consistent pattern across scripture. Why these patterns matter? When the same structure appears in physics, biology, mythology, and prophecy, it suggests a shared design. 3 stabilized systems. It organizes information. It helps connect scientific structure with spiritual meaning. The cosmic code of 3 becomes a simple way to understand how the universe builds order. Summary. The number 3 appears as a core pattern across creation. It structures physical reality and shapes biblical symbolism. Studying this pattern helps you see both science and scripture through a clearer lens of order and design.